What is good, everybody? Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided I wasn't really that happy with the way that the office was set up for me in my last video. If you saw that, I felt like it was a little bit distracting. There was a lot of stuff going on, so I'm rearranging. I ordered some new furniture. I'm going all out for you guys, so it's gonna be awesome. But today, woo, sweating out here, working hard. I gotta change clothes. I'm like dying in these right now. I'll be right back. Oh, yes, so much better. So you may have seen me do some unboxing on my Instagram story. Welcome to another edition of Mail Time with your host, Parker York Smith. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you definitely should be at Parker York Smith. But as opposed to doing it on there, I felt like, why don't I just start turning this into a little bit more of a regular segment on the YouTube channel? That way you guys can kind of see what I have coming in and go shop it for yourself, and then you can learn how to style it, because whenever I do an unboxing, I also want to throw in a couple of ideas on how you can style those pieces to be making yourself look awesome. Big shout out to my friends from Under Armour for sending over this stuff. I'm always a big fan of their products for fitness or for just lifestyle, kind of casual everyday wear. You know I like to look good when I'm working out because I feel like it always makes me work out a little bit harder when I'm dressed the part for it. So these will definitely come in handy with that. First up, we've got this hoodie, but it's sleeveless, which is pretty cool. Super comfortable, actually kind of lightweight. So even though it is summertime, you can still wear something like this to a workout over your t-shirt or whatever and stay comfortable, but stay kind of warm. Cause you know, when you're working out, you definitely wanna get that body heat up. And it's cool because it has a zipper on the side to access the middle pocket. So if you've got your cell phone in there on a run or whatever, it's an easy way to make sure you don't lose it, because that would be awful. Next, they sent over these tights. I love compression tights. I'm a big basketball fan, playing and watching, so wearing these when I'm out on the court is really comfortable because it keeps my legs extra warm and loose so that I'm able to jump better, run better, cut better, all those different things. Compression pants are really nice for that, guys, if you are going for runs regularly or doing any kind of activity in them. It's gonna keep your muscles a lot warmer so that you can avoid any pulled muscles or injuries easier because it is keeping you warmer. Classic, just black, clean workout shirt. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but it kind of has a little bit of a subtle design to it, which is cool. It's almost like see-through when you're looking at it in person, but the back is really cool because it's got a little bit of extra added detailing, lets a lot of the heat out. So during the summertime, if you are working out and it's really hot outside, or honestly, you know, if you're just running errands or anything like that and you want to be comfortable, a shirt like this is totally acceptable. I'm just not a fan of wearing workout gear for like going out or, you know, with jeans or anything. If I'm gonna be just running errands or doing simple little activities, something like that is really nice. And then lastly, in terms of the apparel that they sent, these light gray jogger style sweats. You've got a cuff around the ankle, sort of like a heathered gray, as you can see. Logo right there, pockets on the side. There's no pocket on the back, which I'm bummed about, but whatever, it's fine. I like a pocket on the back for my wallet, or sometimes I'll stash my phone in there. But these will be great just, again, for like a casual day when I'm running errands or anything like that, where I don't need to be worried about looking nice and super presentable, but I'm a big subscriber to the idea that you do not want to leave the house looking awful and sloppy. Even if you're just doing basic little things, always have athleisure style clothes to go to so you look nice, so you look presentable, so that if you run into someone, if you run into that crush or, you know, anyone that's important to you, you can still feel good about being presentable with yourself. You don't have to feel like you need to hide so that they don't see you in your scrubs. Well, not scrubs like if you're a doctor, like scrubs, like gross clothes. And finally, my favorite part, obviously, they are the UA Speedform Amp 2.0, 11.5. Sometimes I'm a 12, sometimes I'm an 11, sometimes I'm 11.5. So look at these. So nice. Honestly, Under Armour's been around for a while. My high school football team was sponsored by Under Armour way back in the day. We'd get like wristbands and all kinds of cool stuff, the like tight shirts that they kind of became originally famous for. They've been killing it in the footwear game for the last few years. Their lifestyle and their actual active sneakers are really, really amazing. Not a huge Steph Curry fan, although his shoes are pretty dope, but these are just so sick. I love the red detailing. The lacing is really interesting. It's got that little bit of red on the front. And as you can see, it kind of like locks through there with the lace lock. And what another really cool aspect, I've seen this on some of the Adidas shoes, but it's actually disconnected from the sole here in the middle, which is just really cool. I honestly am not sure whether or not that has any real added benefit, but it has a nice flat bottom, which anytime I'm just like in the gym lifting weights or doing quick little calisthenic style workouts, I like a shoe like this rather than a running shoe or something with a bunch of grooves and added bumps at the bottom. But I also like a low cut shoe rather than a basketball shoe. So something like this is really perfect for that. I'm excited to try them on. I'm gonna put them on in just a minute and see how they feel, see how they fit. But overall, they've got a really slim design right around the ankle. It's almost like the Flyknit style, like the sock, which I love. The heel is nice and solid on the back. Honestly, guys, they killed it with these. I'm really, really impressed. Their whole shoe line in general is just really solid. So highly recommend checking these out. Let's throw them on, see how they feel, and then let's throw together a couple different outfits. I'm gonna try this stuff on that I showed you, and then I'm also gonna style these shoes with a little bit more of a lifestyle look as well to show you how versatile this shoe is. Let's do that. I was a little worried about the sizing because with athletic shoes that I'm actually gonna be using for activities, I like to size up just a little bit, so I usually go with a 12. But with these, I got an 11.5 just to try them out because this is my first pair of Under Armour sneakers. And I'm actually really happy with the sizing. You wanna take a look? Let's do it. So the on-foot feel is amazing. I'm really, really loving them a lot. They feel so good. They're comfortable, but they also feel really sturdy. So I could definitely do some CrossFit calisthenic style workout in them, or I could just be wearing them on a daily basis in my everyday life and feeling good. So let's try these outfits. So when you're styling an athletic shoe like this that is really made for athletics, I like to keep the entire outfit kind of athletic inspired as well. So just some dark denim with a long line t-shirt, some darker accessories to kind of add a little bit of personality, and then this black and red hat. I like that the hat kind of matches with the color scheme of the shoe, but otherwise it's a very basic outfit that's extremely comfortable and really easily worn during the summertime. All right, guys, so there you go. Those were some sneakers, gave you some outfit ideas, showed you some apparel, all stuff from Under Armour. Really, really happy with these shoes. They're extremely comfortable. If you wanna grab yourself a pair or just shop them in general, kind of get a closer look at the other colorways that they have available, there's a link down in the description. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the unboxing style video. If you guys wanna see more of this, let me know. Otherwise, just throw out ideas of things that you are interested in hearing from me, that you want to learn about. I would love to be helping you while you're helping me by watching these videos. Subscribe if you are not already. Tell a friend about the channel. I appreciate you watching. I will see you next time. Bye.